Hey, oh, I didn't see you there, guys. Well, let's get these foot pegs installed. To install the rider and passenger foot pegs, you don't need a lot of tools. I bought this set from Harbor Freight. You just need a hex set as well as some needle nose pliers. All right. So I got on the rider and the passenger foot pegs. This install was really simple, but just getting those cotter pins, man, those were a pain in the butt. So if you can do those fairly easy, then this install is nothing. All right. Thanks for putting up with another one of my videos. Look, if you actually like my videos, please hit that like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content. I'm constantly installing things on my Honda motorcycles, so please, yeah, continue to check me out. Thanks, guys.